Hello everybody, it's Junior Computer Scientist here, and today I'm going to be working with some automation. So, since I'm going to be an automation test engineer, I decided to work with things on my personal website in order to get prepared for my job. I've been doing this with my internship, but I just wanted to do it and, just kind of be prepared because I haven't really worked with it for 7 months. So today, I'm actually not going to be working with my portfolio on camera. I do that in my spare time, free time. But I'm just going to be opening up Google using Selenium and Python and maybe clicking on a couple of things and inserting text. And I may have to look some of these things up because that's just how it is. That's what happens. Sometimes we forget syntax. And yeah, I'm just going to get started. So I'm going to share my screen. So I have this empty project right here, and I'm just going to start a new file, and I'm going to call it test.py. So now that I have this here, what I'm going to do is pip install Selenium. Let me make sure I'm spelling it right. Yes. So now that I have Selenium, looks like there was no errors, yeah. So now that I have Selenium, what I do is paste this because I need this in order to have Python scripts run in Linux. And also you need it for Mac. It's not just Linux, but Mac is built on Linux. If you know all of those things. So now I import WebDriver from Selenium, and just from this, I'm just gonna open up google.com. So how do we do that? We do webdriver.chrome.get, and also Chrome is capital. www.google.com. And also this should be in quotes, I believe. Hopefully this works. Oh, and also I'm going to do a webdriver.chrome.quit just to close it. It's just going to open it, close it, used to semicolons. I'm just going to run this script, and Google should open. Okay, that was very quick. I'm gonna set a timer for this. Okay, actually had to do a little bit of debugging there. Just kind of did it off camera. So I did add a sleep timer because I thought it just was broken that way. But no, I just went to google.com and just copy and pasted the link. Don't do this, just www. Just you need HTTPS. Okay. Yeah, then when you run it this way, as you can see, Google opens. Now I'm gonna uncomment this just so that it stays open for a good while, not just open close. And as you can see, okay, it's still quit. Not sure why, but I'm gonna do webdriver.chrome. I know I could set this to a variable. I'm not just right now. I'm just kind of playing around with automation at the moment. Not get maximize window. Okay, I'm just gonna make it a variable because I don't want to keep typing it, even though I said I'm not doing it, but I'm having a little bit of trouble just playing around with this at the moment. So okay, now it looks like it's working. Waits 30 seconds and then it maximizes the window, which I should probably reverse that. But yeah, it looks like it's working now. Probably should set the timer to be a lot less. Let's do 10 seconds, and let's also maximize the window. And after this, we're going to click on some text, insert some text, and search something up. Just keep clicking links. So yeah, see, maximize the window, and I'm gonna exit this because I don't need to wait. But what I'm going to do also is I'm gonna open Chrome. This is a Google dash Chrome. It looks like it's Google dash Chrome actually. So it seems like OBS is actually catching what's happening on my screen before I catch what's on my screen. It's crazy. So I'm here on Google. Hopefully this is like the same thing, but we got this input box here, right? So this is how I click things and manipulate with, this is how I work with elements using Selenium. So I go here and I look for like a class. So we have an ID, input, and also a class truncate. I'm going to use input, right? And also there's this other thing I have to input over here. So I go here and I said input, I meant import. So I'm importing by, and I am going to do driver.find element, and I'm going to do by.id, and then I'm going to do not that, sorry. What was it called? Input. Hopefully this is the right syntax. Actually, I don't think this is the right syntax. I'm gonna look up how to input text into text box with Selenium Python. Okay, so this is what I found. I actually need to import keys and do find element by ID, I believe. Where is it? And in this parentheses only put input. Then I'm going to send keys. So it'll be, and let me set this to a variable actually. So input box equals that, and then I'm going to do input box dot send keys, and I'm just going to look up computer science. And then I'm going to do input box dot send keys. Sorry, I'm going to do input box dot submit. And also I'm going to have another time to sleep because it might just do that and then quit. Actually, don't I have something after that? Maximize window. Oh yeah, I'm going to take this out actually. But dot sleep. I sleep for like 10 seconds and then quit. So then we run it. We maximize the window. We wait for about 10 seconds. And it should find the input box, submit computer science. It didn't. It failed. Because it couldn't find the element by ID here, I'm going to do it the way that I had it before. So find element, and I'm going to do by dot ID and input there. Hopefully this works. I should change it to like 5 seconds because 10 feels like a little bit too long, you know, but yeah, hopefully this works. Hopefully you don't close out. Still failed. WebDriver has no element. Fine. I took that out, right? Why is it still looking for that? It's that's old. So there's no element. So okay, obviously it changes from where I was at to this one. So I'm just gonna hurry up and try to inspect this element here. I'm gonna make it 60 seconds. So just rerun it, even though I could like pull this up. And I'm hearing like a weird noise on my mic. Hopefully that's it. That isn't like going over into the actual audio, because that would suck. This is the ID here. I'm gonna copy that, and then we're gonna rerun it and hope that it works. I have it set for 60 seconds still. So let's change that to 5. And let's retry. I was just waiting there, like, when is it gonna do it? You know, it's only 10 seconds. It wasn't just 10 seconds. But now it's 5, so hopefully it doesn't fail after 5. Yep, there we go. Computer science, bam, opens. And it doesn't do anything else. And it should just close. So, yeah, that is all I'm gonna do for this. That was my very simple Selenium script where we just open up Google, type in something and search it, and it pops up. So I'm not sure if there's anyone that wanted to like play around with Selenium, or if maybe people didn't even know about Selenium and now they think that it's cool and would like to use it and things like that. But yeah, that's just kind of what I wanted to do. You know, I wanted to go over Selenium here. Now I'm like setting up Jenkins and I'm trying to run automated scripts through there, kind of have it automatically go and maybe send whether or not there's like a failure in one of the scripts to me somehow, which is kind of what was happening in my internship. So it shouldn't be like impossible to do that. You know, maybe like send it to myself somehow, some way, and I get notified and I'm like, oh wait, my portfolio's failing. What's wrong? I need to make sure that it's up, so that when people find my portfolio, they're not like, whoa, this sucks, which it does. It's not like the best right now, like but I'm still working with it and getting it in tip-top shape. But with that being said, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do have to record whenever the house is empty, and that's very rare at this current moment, but I will be moving out soon. I got approved for an apartment, and when that happens, I should be able to record, and well, I can edit anytime. It's just the recording part that is the hardest part right now. But I should be able to actually make more content. And yeah, with that being said, follow me on Instagram. My name is jordancs.js. Follow me on X. My name is jordancs. Join my Discord. The link is in the description. And I'm going to see all of you in my next video. Thank you for watching. I'm insecure still, and she's